Dr. Harvey's produces all-natural foods, treats, and nutritional supplements for dogs, cats, and birds. Each formula is a blend of 15 to 30 ingredients ranging from seeds, dried vegetables, fruits, and organic grains to protein powder and freeze-dried meat. To meet growing demand, Dr. Harvey's moved to larger quarters and replaced a 2 cubic foot, 57-liter ribbon blender with a 20 cubic foot, 566-liter Munson Rotary Batch Mixer. For each food product, the recipe begins with a base mixture of grains and dry vegetables, to which herbs, protein powders, and other ingredients are added. Ingredient particles are powder-sized up to 1/4 inch, or about 6 millimeters. Ingredients are manually weighed and dumped into a plastic hopper. Completed batches can weigh up to 800 pounds, or 363 kilograms. The hopper is then forklifted above the mixer's inlet to be gravity discharged through a manual slide gate into a rotary batch mixer. The gentle 4-way action of the vessel's proprietary mixing flights lifts, folds, cuts, and turns the materials with no shear, heat, or degradation, yielding uniform blends in about 5 minutes. The mixer's stationary inlet and outlet allow loading and discharging of the vessel as it rotates, reducing mixing cycle times while preventing segregation of ingredients during discharge, regardless of the large variations in particle sizes and shapes. According to the general manager, a number of fragile ingredients dust easily, but he finds that they remain in the same condition as when they were loaded into the mixer. He also notes that discharge is complete, with virtually no residual material left in the vessel. After the batch is discharged, the mobile hopper is moved into the packaging area. Operators then blast the interior of the rotary batch mixer using compressed air nozzles before vacuuming and hand wiping with towels. For batches containing dried meat products, a dry sanitizing agent is applied in addition to the standard cleaning regimen. Cleanout doors on opposite sides of the vessel allow unrestricted access for cleaning and visual inspection of all material contact surfaces, contributing to the plant's compliance with national and state sanitary requirements. With the Munson Rotary Batch Mixer, Dr. Harvey's has been able to run a minimum of 3 batches per day on average, increasing overall production. According to the general manager, the company now has increased capacity and inventory on hand and can plan accordingly for growth. See the industry's widest selection of bulk mixing and blending equipment at munsonmachinery.com.